Hello everyone. Today we are going to pick up on chapter 5 of our Roscoe Riley Rules series. Today chapter 5 is called Don't You Dare Glue. The junk drawer always has wonderful things in it. Keys, puzzle pieces, paper clips, the head from one of Hazel's dolls. I was playing brain surgeon the other day. The patient didn't make it. I pulled out the bag of art supplies. I added 3 purple rubber bands to the bag, and a slinky that wouldn't slink anymore, and the doll head. You never know when you might need an extra head. And then I saw something else in the drawer, a bottle of super mega gonzo glue. So there's his little junk drawer that he's digging around in. The grown-up glue Mom calls Don't You Dare glue. Super Mega Gonzo glue is extra strong. Dad used it when I broke my great-grandma's very old teacup. And when I broke Mom's very precious flower vase. And when I broke Grandpa's very ugly glass potato souvenir from Idaho. Adults really should keep breakable stuff away from us kids. Mom glanced into the family room. Max, did you find your other shoe? The bus will be here in 5 minutes. My big brother came into the kitchen. He was armed with a juice box. My shoe is on the roof, Max said, and then he squirted me with his straw. At least it was apple juice. That's my favorite. Max, Mom cried. He started this war, Max said. My hair's all wet, I complained. Maybe you should cut off your head, Max said, which was not all that helpful, really. Stop it, I said to Max. Roscoe, Dad said. Stop it, please, I said. Wait just a minute, Max, Mom said. Did you say your shoe is on the roof? There's a good explanation, Max said. I'm sure there is, said Dad. His eyebrow went up again. That eyebrow gets a lot of exercise. Me and Roscoe were playing astronaut, Max said. Max's shoe was the space shuttle, I added. I need a ladder, said Mom. I need more coffee, said Dad. I need a new brother, I said. You need a new brain, said Max. Guys, Dad said, please, peace. Roscoe, Max and your dad and I have work to do on the roof, Mom said. Keep an eye on Hazel for me, sweetie. Hazel is my little sister. She was busy watching cartoons in the family room. Mom says educational cartoons are okay, especially until she's had her first cup of coffee. I'll hold the ladder, Dad said to Mom, if you climb. Dad is afraid of heights, but don't tell anybody. It's a family secret. Also, please don't tell him he's losing his hair. Dads can be very sensitive, you know. Dad, I said, before you go outside, I think you should know you only have 1 sock on. Dad looked down at his foot. Has anyone seen my other sock? Try the roof, Mom said. Try Goofy's stomach, I said. I think he ate it. Goofy is our big white dog. He is very open-minded about his diet. Dad groaned. Then he went outside with one of his bare feet, followed by Max and Mom. I checked on Hazel. She was talking to a blue dog on the TV screen. Goofy was eating her cereal. I went back to the junk drawer. I picked up the Don't You Dare glue. I imagined Mom saying, Roscoe, don't you dare touch the Don't You Dare glue. I put the glue down. I imagined my teacher saying, Roscoe, what a wonderful helper you are. Thank you so much for the grown-up glue. Hazel came into the kitchen. She was wearing a paper crown. Hazel's favorite games are Princess, Dress Up, Mud Pie Picnic, and Let's Dress Up Roscoe like a princess and make him eat mud pies. H-I-J-K, Ellen M-O-P'd, Hazel sang. She paused. Who is Ellen M-O? She asked. I'll explain all that in kindergarten, I said. I picked up the glue again. Hazel's eyes got big. That's the Don't You Dare glue. It's for my teacher, I said. Things are always breaking at school, like yesterday when I broke the pencil sharpener. Sometimes I get a little carried away when I'm sharpening. And there he is, getting the Don't You Dare glue out of the drawer. I put the glue in the bag of art supplies. Then I grabbed my Hero Guy backpack. Hero Guy doesn't have his own TV show or anything, Mom got 'em on sale at the mall. Hey, Roscoe, Max called up. Hurry up, the bus is coming, and you gotta come see something. I took Hazel's hand. I looked at the junk drawer one last time. Maybe I should put the glue back, I thought. After all, when you call something don't you dare glue, there's probably a good reason. I could hear the bus driver honking. Oh well, I thought. It was just a harmless little bitty bottle of glue. When Hazel and I got inside, I saw a silver ladder leaning against the house. Dad was holding it. Check it out, Max exclaimed. Mom's on the roof again. Excellent, I said. That is always a good way to start your day. I yelled goodbye as I ran for the bus stop. See you at the open house, Dad called. Just then, there was a big gust of wind. The ladder fell with a crash. Probably Mom would have yelled goodbye, too. But she was too busy hanging from the roof. And the next time we meet, I will be reading Chapter 6, The Secret Handshake. I hope you're enjoying the book so far, and I'll see you again soon.